and thanks for joining us again this week on HVAC Talk, Let's Be Real. My name's Renee, I'm one of the owners of LCS.
And my name is Travis, and I'm a service tech with LCS.
So our question this week is, let's be real, why can it be challenging to schedule our air conditioner maintenance?
The weather plays a big role.
Okay, so in the fall and the winter, furnace is located inside, pretty
Yep.
easy to get that scheduled. But in the spring and the summer, we have Mother Nature to contend with.
Yes.
And she's not been nice to us lately.
No.
So the last couple weeks, it's only been about 40 degrees in the morning. Would we schedule air conditioner maintenance when it's that cold?
I definitely wouldn't recommend it. The oil inside the compressor is really thick and it doesn't like to circulate properly.
Okay, so it can actually be kind of hard on the system
Oh, yeah.
to run it when it's that cold outside. We don't want that to happen.
No.
Now, what about when it gets to about 55, 60 degrees? Is that warm enough?
It may definitely seem like it, but the pressures in the system at that temperature will be lower than they should be. And if the system is low, we wouldn't know that at the time.
Okay, and when you're saying the system's low, you're talking about the refrigerant levels?
Yes.
Okay, so it could look like the system doesn't have enough refrigerant in it, but it's actually just giving a low reading because it's cold outside.
Yes.
Okay, and in that case, we would have an inaccurate diagnosis. We might tell you something that is not actually the case.
Yep.
Simply because the weather wasn't right.
Yep.
Okay, what about when it's raining?
I definitely don't want to get electrocuted.
Okay, for sure not. We don't want to lose you. That's for sure. All right. So when it's raining, you are dealing with the electrical components, things
Yes.
like that. We don't want any electrocution to happen. Also, your tools.
Yep, they're digital and we don't want them to be broken or
Ruined or whatever that may be. Absolutely. So a lot of times, if it is raining, a little sprinkle.
Definitely doesn't hurt.
Yeah, not a big deal. But if it's a downpour, if there's lightning's always fun.
No,
right?
definitely not.
If it's something like that, we're going to reschedule your appointment. So we know it can be a pain and an inconvenience sometimes, but air conditioner maintenance is really important to make sure that your system is running as efficiently as it should. And if there is a problem with something, you might be able to catch it before it becomes a problem to where you have no cooling at all when it's hot outside. So anyway, I hope we've given you enough information. We know it can be a pain, like we said, but we want to make sure that you're getting the great service that you've paid for and accurate. So hope that helps, and we will see you again on HVAC Talk, Let's Be Real. See you next week.